So the truth is this, no woman ever regrets losing a man who lacks substance. So make sure to always be on your grind to become mentally, physically, and financially strong. And the higher you are up either, the more leverage you have over her. So in today's video, I'm going to be telling you how to make a woman to regret losing you. Okay, so hi guys, this is Elegant, and on this channel we talk about everything love, sex, and relationship. So if you find this video useful at the end, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel so you don't miss on other interesting content. So let's get into the video. So the first way to make a woman to regret losing you is by not contacting her. Okay, don't try to reach out to her when she breaks up with you, because this replaces her satisfaction with a high degree of curiosity and frustration. And the truth is this, women are used to men chasing them. Women are used to men always going after them, and and she expects you to reach out to her after a breakup, maybe through calls, through text messages. And if you don't do that, it will make her to be curious, frustrated, because that's what she expected you to do. So the truth is this, don't try to contact her. I know this might be difficult to do, okay? It might be hard for you, especially if it's a woman that you were so in love with. So I know it might be difficult. So, but you have to, be strong. Don't try to contact her. Don't contact her. Okay, let her. I know she will be waiting. Okay, she'll be waiting for you to call and beg and explain things. But don't do it. Don't try to contact her. Okay, let her, keep wondering why you haven't called or text to find out why she break up, or but don't contact her. So another way to make a woman to regret losing you is by becoming an exceptional man. Okay, the easiest way to make any woman to miss you and think of getting back with you is by becoming an exceptional man. Like I said in the beginning of this video, no woman ever regrets losing a man with zero substance. So you have to get on your grind, become financially, emotionally, mentally, and physically strong. Okay, this will make her to reconsider her decision of leaving you. So you need to become an exceptional man. Add value to yourself. Groom yourself. Get better with whatever you are doing. Learn a new skill. Develop yourself. Add value to your life. Okay? So another way to make any woman to regret losing you is by moving on. Although I'm not advising any man to move on immediately after a breakup, because you need to heal, okay? You need to heal yourself, okay? Because if you don't heal, you are going to hurt the new woman, and you're also going to hurt yourself. So you need to be sure that you are healed, you are okay, you are fine, okay? So when you're finally okay, you are healed, you're free to explore your options, because there's something new about the new elevated version of yourself, and that is options. Okay, so you need to explore your options. All right, so there is nothing that hurts a woman than seeing a man she loves with another woman. That alone will make her to regret leaving in the first place. So try to make her to see every of your moves, okay? The biggest part in making a woman to regret losing you is by showing her the kind of life that she is missing out. So don't make yourself to, to break. Don't break out because a woman has left you. There are ways you can make her to regret losing you, and these are the three ways that I've given you. So move on, try to like add value to yourself, okay? Become an exceptional man. Don't focus on the breakup, don't focus on the hurt, okay? Heal yourself, okay? There are better options out there, there are better women out there. So all you have to do is to become an exceptional man, okay? Move on, be strong. All right, so guys, I hope this video has helped you. So if you really want to see more of this, please subscribe and like this video so it can get to plenty others. All right, thank you so much and see you in my next video. Bye.